Guys at the High Wycombe site today, and I thought I'll do a quick update for you guys watching the series closely. So you can see now there's been quite a lot of progression made on one side of the building with the brickwork going all the way up to the first floor joist level, and they've stopped just short of the joist level on the second floor, because what they have to do now is firstly do the extension on the other side of the garage, bring that brickwork up to the same level, and then take the new roof, and then they'll do the joist level at that point, or at that stage effectively. But let me quickly show you the brickwork and the blockwork from inside. You can see the brickwork is done really well and really tidily, and there's a lot of detailing there to follow the rest of the building design, because this building is actually locally listed. So I think a lot of your PD rights still stay, but the conservation officer still gets involved to make sure that you're keeping the character of the building intact and what have you. So let's quickly go inside and have a look. So we were doing a bit of a walkthrough with the contractor earlier on today, and we've highlighted, or he's highlighted, certain issues with lack of, some windows in some of the flats. So we're possibly thinking of doing a small variation on the planning application and putting an application for about 3 windows that we think would be better for in terms of getting light in. This room, although it looks quite light actually, because the window is very big, what they were suggesting is, because this is a kitchen open plan lounge type room, and the kitchen's going to go here. They were suggesting putting a window at the back there, so we're going to discuss with the architect and then decide what we want to do. This is then going to take you to the bedroom and the ensuite. So you're going to have steps going in. There's going to be a door right here to take you to the bedroom, opening this way. And this is the room, which is the extended room. Let me quickly show you here the work that they've done. So initially they did the brickwork all the way up, then they did the block work internally to make it a double skinned, and then the insulation goes in between the brick and the block work, so you can have a look at it a bit more closely. And this is basically the structure that keeps it all insulated well. And then obviously here you're going to have timber going in, plus the insulation, and then plasterboarding to make it all soundproofing, fireboards and all that sort of stuff. And the fireboard, and the same will be for the ceiling. There'll be 2 different plasterboards going in, one for sound insulation and one for fire insulation. Here you're going to be the bedroom, so quite a large bedroom. The bedroom, the door will be opening through here to the ensuite. And this wall is going to be used pretty much for all the services. So we're going to have a toilet here, a sink, and a double shower here. And just behind me, as you can see, there is a massive space left open for those double bay windows there, which is what's going to make the room look really nice and light. So let's go to the other flats. Let's go upstairs actually. That one's quite busy at the contractor's end there. That was my contractor speaking in Punjabi, those of you who don't understand it. So this is going to be the entrance for flat 3, and this is going to be a 2-bedroom flat. This is going to be one of the bedrooms and open plan kitchen. Here is going to be the 2 bathrooms, and there's going to be an extension over the garage, which is going to be another bedroom. So 2 bedrooms and a kitchen living area here, right here. Sorry, what I meant was there's, yeah. So that's the 2-bedroom flat. It's about, I think, 66 square meters. Yeah, sorry, I was going to say, sorry. So when you go in, I just quickly want to show you again. This is the lounge open plan kitchen. here is going to be the bedroom. That's going to be one bedroom here and one bedroom there. And we are creating two toilets here. Two, sort of, one's going to be an ensuite bedroom and the other one's going to be a communal one for obviously the guests and people who are renting here to live here. So let's quickly show you what else we've been through talking about. This is going to be the entrance to the flat 4, which is the one bedroom flat. And what we're going to do is there's going to be you come in, this is going to be the kitchen here. Again, this is another place where, in fact, here we've got planning permission for a window. So we're going to break through this wall here and create another window here. We've kind of changed the architect's plans internally, but that doesn't matter because internally you don't need to go back with planning. So we're going to block this window. This wall stays, so we don't actually need to knock this wall down anymore. We just create a door here to go through the bedroom there. So let me show you, this is the extension bit which you could see from our